hesitations or reservations, you should throw them away, because this was a very life-changing experience.
It's a good launching pad to just grow and to get more involved on campus, to get more involved with the different minority organizations that we have and things like that. And now I can go out and I can develop on the things that they told me about today, and I can bring it back and expand on those, and it can keep going from there.
You know, people always say these things about what we don't do, but nobody ever says what we do. But we do what we do because of you.
I am from the Office of Financial Aid. There are other offices on campus other than the Multicultural Center office that are here to help throughout their journey. For anybody who is interested, whether it's a first-year student, a continuing student, and wants to get involved and wants to be a part of a growing population, it's a good foundation, a path to get you running and get you started in what could possibly be a long-lasting networking journey.
There's another community of people just like me that are willing to accept me and help me grow as a person. I wasn't expecting something of this scale come to Operation I Am.